Hi, my name is Terry and I have a new kitchen. It's gorgeous. I love every part of it. There are so many wonderful features, but the feature I really want to zone in on today is my docking station. As you can see, I have a little area here in my kitchen that is sort of a desk utility area, but you may not be able to tell that it's only 12 inches deep. I didn't need a full depth area for all of these items, but what I did need was something to charge everything that we have. Before, I had one of those wonderful outlets that's stuck in the wall with 6 different outlets in it in all different directions. It was a mess. So what we've done is we've installed something called a docking drawer, and as you can see, now any mess is in the drawer, and even though this drawer is only 12 inches deep, this item fits perfectly. I chose the one that has 4 outlets. The reason I chose this particular one was because as a computer consultant, I felt that USB outlets may not last forever. I wanted to have regular outlets so I can accommodate any kind of connector. Nice thing about this is that even though you can't see behind there's a wonderful arm with a very heavy duty cord that cannot kink in there, and that means that we're not going to have any overheating. There's also in the center a little button here. If something did overheat, it would automatically throw this circuit off so that everything would be, all the electricity would be cut off from my docking drawer. And then after removing the offending item, I'd be able to press it right back in and start again. So this mess of cords is gone, and that is one of my favorite parts of my new kitchen.